Hi there, cheap-locksmith in Birmingham here again for part 2 of the ERA challenge. We've now got in the Vice a brand new British Standard ERA multi-slot, multi-slot rather. It's basically the new adaptation of the Fortress. Curtain's different, they've gone back to the old style curtain. Nasty little lock. I've seen them picked with decoders. I've seen people pick them with a pre-lifter, which lifts the levers up so it's easy to get underneath the levers where you pick. I'm going to just try to pick it by hand. It is nasty. It's a nasty little lock. When I say by hand, no pre-lifter, just the wire and the tension tool, and see how we get on. It is a nasty lock, and I haven't had loads of success with it. Here goes. I'll put myself up for it. So I'll just show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to have to put a bit of an angle for myself. And this is the picking tension wire, and here's the wire I'm going to use. So it is pretty, basic stuff. Probably going to be all over the place trying to do this because it's. Oh well, it goes. More stuck. The levers are really low, which is why people will use a pre-lift on it. There you go, anti-pick. The number 2 lever is a really high lift lever, and it's just the way these levers are made. You lift one lever and it will lift another lever at the same time, so it's a tricky little pick, but can be done. Again, the levers are so low, or wires getting stuck underneath and I can't maneuver it through, so that's it. You need to have to put your wire through under those levers. I can feel it rubbing the levers as I push it under. Alright, there we go. Serving takes pretty fine. There we go, anti-pick again. Patience is a virtue, as they say. It's getting that, I can feel it, it's a really high lift lever in there. Seeing that number 3 wiring, number 2 high lift is dropping that down. Oh, got you. There we go. That's not too bad. Let's turn just. I'll take the pick out so you can get this wire, which is rammed into the levers. Out. There we go. She's out. Hopefully it's still open. There it is. Okay. You can turn this. Straight up for the camera. Okay, sorry about the blurring, but you will see we have picked one now without a pre-lifter, which is noticeably what. There we go. Open that wing. There is a picking order to it. You really have to try to lift that high lift lever up early. The trouble is, as you start picking the levers next to it, because of the way they made these levers, it will instinctively either push that lever up even further, so it, the lever's going too high, or it drops back down because it loses tension. So it's just a matter of patience and perseverance, but as you can see, it will go, and without a pre-lifter. So I hope there's a bit of encouragement for everybody out there, and good luck with your picking. It's Olympia Locksmiths in Birmingham. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.